Everybody's Mike Monkey Garage, monkeyfabgarage.com. So check it out. We got this. So you guys asked for this. So we have an injector. We have an injector harness. These guys are pricey. They're actually kind of a pain in the butt to build and put together. They're very time consuming. So we offer them a kit form, so you can just buy a kit, and our kits are kind of pre-cut so that you have what you need to make something similar to this. And it's a neat project. So if you're just doing your first wiring project or just getting into wiring projects, this is kind of a fun project to build your own injector kit. So someone contacted me and they said, Mike, I have a blower and your stuff it's just too short, or it's being kind of strained to fit. I've had people say, I have a Holly and I want to go underneath the plenum, blah, 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 blah. So you need a long wire kit so we can do this with and, make it all easy and in one place. So that's what we did. We got this together. We took our normal kit that we have, and then we added an additional 10 inches to it. So you're going to have, another 10 inches of wire onto what you already have. And you get everything that's in this kit right here. So you'll get the heat shrink tubing that you need, the clear stuff. You got the little labels, so you can label the wires and then put the clear heat shrinkies over it. You got the expandable loom to make it all nice and neat. You get 25 feet of red because everyone needs one of those. Every injector needs one of those. You get some 16 gauge to take it to the head unit. Speaking of which, you get a connector plug. So some people opt to cut these off and use the Deutsch connector. There's a 12-pin Deutsch connector, which is really super easy if you got a Deutsch crimper guy, whatever. We sell those. We also sell a flange 12-pin Deutsch connector. So just have to keep in mind, some people will swap those out. But this is all based on the Holly stuff, so that would plug right into your Holly deal. So up to you, do whatever you want. You get extra pens because, if it's your first time project kind of thing, you're going to want some practice runs. So we give you extra pens to do those with. All the connectors, so you'll get 8 of whatever you order. We have EV1, we have EV6, and we have USCAR, or is it US car? What does the US stand for? Is it the United States? Then what does CAR stand for? I never knew CAR stood for anything. I don't know. But anyway, you'll get 8 of those. You'll get the step-down connectors to make a nice transition from your reds. So you'll have red going to every injector. It'll just taper up to one of these. You get the idea. And then a length of wire for all the injectors and all the corresponding colors that match up with the Holly harness. And I believe I covered everything there. So yeah, it's the same kit to build a normal injector harness, but also 10 inches longer. So check it out on the website, guys. Thanks, bye.